To optimize Debank gas fees, it is essential to understand what gas fees are and how they work. Gas fees are the costs associated with executing transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. The primary factor that affects gas fees is network congestion. So optimizing gas fees requires strategically planning when and how to execute transactions. First, monitor the current gas fees by checking a reliable gas fee tracker. This will provide an estimate of the current gas fees and help identify the best time to execute a transaction. Generally, gas fees are lower during off-peak hours, such as early morning or late evening. Next, adjust the gas limit and gas price according to the current network conditions. The gas limit determines the maximum amount of gas that can be consumed by a transaction, while the gas price determines the amount of ether paid per unit of gas. Setting an optimal gas limit and gas price can significantly reduce gas fees. Another crucial step is to batch similar transactions together. Batching transactions can help reduce the overall gas fees by minimizing the number of transactions executed on the network. This approach is particularly useful for executing multiple similar transactions, such as sending ether to multiple recipients. Using gas-optimized wallets and dApps can also help minimize gas fees. Some wallets and dApps are designed to optimize gas fees by automatically adjusting the gas limit and gas price based on current network conditions. Additionally, consider using Layer 2 scaling solutions, which can significantly reduce gas fees by executing transactions off the main Ethereum blockchain. Layer 2 solutions, such as Optimism and Arbitrum, can provide faster and cheaper transactions while maintaining the security of the Ethereum network. Finally, keep an eye on upcoming network upgrades and optimization techniques, as they can significantly impact gas fees. Staying up to date with the latest developments can help identify new opportunities to optimize gas fees and improve overall transaction efficiency. By following these steps and staying informed about the latest developments, users can significantly reduce their Debank gas fees and improve their overall experience on the Ethereum blockchain.